I would first like to thank you all for coming and for the organizers to do such an amazing conference, which is important because it is really different from most of the other conferences where projects go around pitching some endless token sales, and the only thing people care about is when is the next VIP party and how can I get invited. So here, I really like the people, I like the spirit here, and this is exactly the reason why I don't want to pitch you anything, I want to talk to you. And next thing I would like to say is I am really thankful for the panel discussion which just happened, because it saved me a lot of time. All the important things I want to talk about now were already introduced. I mean, mass adoption of crypto, easiness, so people need to use crypto and it should be easy for them. Then next important thing is that people should benefit from using the crypto. And all those things is exactly what is our project about. Paytomat helps people to use crypto in real life, so that by integrating in POS terminals, we achieve this moment when you can go to the shop nearby and pay with your favorite crypto there for coffee or for milk or for whatever you want, or you can go to barbershop to get some haircut, or, well, anything you like. Now, when we were developing this solution, we were focusing on how easy it should be for people to use it, how easy it should be to merchants to adopt it. And we discovered that while we are believers in crypto, but we are still in this transactional period where most people in the world are not. And I wish it would be different, but merchants, they still want to get fiat payments, and they don't want to buy any additional stuff, they don't want to train their stuff, they don't want to get to know crypto, they want everything to be the same and just to have more customers. So the approach we decided to take to address this issue is that for merchants actually nothing changes. They have the same software where they normally press button pay with cash or pay with credit card, and what we do is we add one more button, pay with crypto. And then we do all the magic behind, where the merchant can get fiat in the end or crypto if he likes. We personally encourage them to do that. And also merchants get bonuses from us and new clients and marketing and customers that use our wallet, they get cashbacks. So we are trying to make everyone in this whole system happy, because we know that when people are happy, they are actually using the system. And while we were working on this technology, on this product, we were looking for a blockchain which would be the most suitable for us, which would make all those transactions and conversions as fast as possible and, well, free, which is also important. And I would like to now introduce our director of product, Eugene, here. I tried to save him as much time as possible so he can talk about our technology. Probably the final thing I would like to mention is where we are at the moment. So we have roughly 200 merchants, probably more right now, that already work with us. We have 13 currencies integrated. We have a lot of people already using our system, paying in real world with crypto. Eugene, now the technology part.
Thank you so much. Like I have 5 minutes left, straight from a horse's mouth. I don't know if I should try and get you to like me or just play an artistic developer. Anyway, yeah, we've been developing software for over 10 years, including Decentralized. And so I got to tell a few words about why EOS and what role does it play in our project. So we are friends with many cryptos. So we work directly with core teams of transactional cryptos. And we are a bridge to the real world, just like AcroEOS told us before, but we're also a bridge between EOS and other currencies out there. So basically, we base the infrastructure on EOS and I guess it's really hard to read, but this layered cake in the slide presents the Paytomat core, which is the balancer between DEXs, wallets, and payments, which is done on EOS, and the application layer and the point-of-sale terminals with the customers and other blockchains on the top. So the choice, the hard choice of the blockchain to use of course comes for speed and cost, because we need really effective transactions between both the DEXs, and if you are a DEX that we'd like to speak to you, between normal traditional exchanges and between the wallets. It comes, of course, with the cost and speed, but also governance. And here is an immensely important thing for a payment system. So if you get your own funds frozen, that's one thing. If you get immediately or for some reason frozen the funds of all your users, that's an even higher responsibility. And that's something that we really want to tame and to bring into real world together with EOS. So we are right now in the process of migrating this to EOS, but the system is already working. So you can go to our stand, which is at the entrance of the conference later. You can choose to pay with any crypto, including EOS, and check out. So I think I still have some minutes left for this. So, and just for you to remember how this would work, you walk in a bar, you ask a waiter to pay in crypto, he brings you a QR code, you scan it, and go away happily, hopefully, right? So we are open to discuss the Paytomat infrastructure and the architecture on EOS. We would be glad for any feedback of any one of you, both technological and commercial. And just to repeat it once more, we are bridging the system to the real world in terms of real-life payments, brick-and-mortar stores, and e-commerce, because we are already developing plugins. We are bridging the EOS ecosystem to other transactional currencies which do not compete with EOS directly and which are used to check out and to make the payments. We are bridging EOS as a nation that was spoken before to local legal frameworks and to local situations, because being a transactional business, we are able to get on board local companies and local contributors who will get it done in any given country and under any given legislation. So I guess this was it, and thank you very much. I think we even saved 2 minutes of the time, if I get it right.
I tried to wallet.
Oh yeah,
yes.
we can make, I don't know if we have time for a live demo, but anyway, part of the infrastructure is a non-custodial wallet, and thank you very much for reminding me of this, the business development guy. So the non-custodial wallet, I think, is among the first, if not the first, to create EOS account directly on device. It's live on Android. You can go and get it from the Play Store searching for Paytomat, and it will be live on iOS. And one of the illustrations of how our system is different in its versatility is that you can create an EOS account by paying with any crypto that you currently hold in your non-custodial wallet. So I think this is pretty cool. And we're adding more features, we're adding EOS account management, and we are constantly developing. So thank you very much.
Let me, while we still have time, let me add a few things about wallet. Why our wallet is so important for our infrastructure. When you go to the shop and pay with crypto using Paytomat, you can select any wallet you like. It is really up to you. But we encourage people to use our wallet because we have this cashback program, loyalty program similar to Air Miles, where our wallet would be directly linked to Paytomat core. And when our system sees that you are using our wallet, you get cashbacks. And second, we plan to do for you instant confirmations no matter which crypto you're using if we see our user. then yes, maybe you can elaborate on this one.
Sorry, this is like a total partnership here. So, yeah, we actually do confirm your $2 or $3 espresso way before you get the confirmations of the network. So we're also trying to leverage here and to avoid the problems of long waiting, because the PTM core is able to confirm it way before, just because it doesn't make any sense to double spend on $2. So yeah, we are making it faster and hopefully making the world more connected. Yeah.
Yes. And thank you very much again. Please come to our stand. We will be happy to show you how it works in real life. And thank you very much all for coming. Thank you.